Transformation of sentences. 1. Simple sentence. A simple sentence consists of a single independent clause. It expresses a complete thought and can stand alone as a complete sentence. Example: she sings. 2. Compound sentence. A compound sentence is formed by combining two or more independent clauses using coordinating conjunctions, e.g., and, but, or. These clauses are of equal importance and can stand alone as separate sentences. Example: she sings, and he dances. 3. Complex sentence. A complex sentence consists of one independent clause and at least one dependent, subordinate clause. The independent clause can stand alone as a sentence, while the dependent clause cannot. Example: although she sings well, she is shy. 4. Compound complex sentence. A compound complex sentence combines elements of both compound and complex sentences. It has two or more independent clauses and at least one dependent clause. Example: she sings, and he dances, although they are both shy.